Great afternoon, everyone. Yes. How are you? Are you guys okay? I'm happy that you are okay. So before we go into our lesson, let us all bow our head and feel the presence of the Lord. Lord, salamat po sa araw na ito. Salamat po sa lahat ng blessings na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Humingi po ako ng kapatawaran sa lahat po ng aming mga nagawang kasalanan sa salita, kilos, isip at sa gawa. Humihingi din po sana ako ng iyong banal na espiritu, na iyong talino, lakas, wisdom, and strength, nang sa ganun po ay makasagot lamang po ang aking mga estudyante at maging maayos lamang po ang araw nito. Please help us and guide us po for this day. Salamat po sa lahat. And ito lamang po ang aming pagsusumamat tilangin. Pinapaabot ko po ito at sana po makarating ito sa inyong bugtong anak na sa Kristo naming Hari. Amen. So, great afternoon once again. So, is there any absent, class secretary? Oh, there is no absent. That is good. So, before we dive into our lesson, or before we go into the heart of our lesson, we will first have an activity. So, this title of activity is called Identify Me. So, you will identify the picture whether it is skill-related or health-related. So, I will flash some pictures and just raise your hand if you want to identify what it is. Okay? So, we have the first picture, which is the cardiovascular endurance. So, what kind of skill is this? Is it health-related or skill-related? Yes, that is health-related. Next, we have a girl that is running in the oval. So, what is it? Is it health-related or skill-related? Yes, that is skill-related. Next, nag-exercise din yan. He is warming up. Nagfe-flex siya. Flexing, flexibility. Yes, that is health-related. Next, we have power. Nagbubuhat siya ng dumbbells. That is? Yes, that is skill-related. Next, we have, nagpupush up siya. Muscular endurance. Yes, that is health-related. Very good, everyone. So, we have a bonus pa picture na kailangan yung hula. So, this picture starts with an F and ends with S. So, as you can see, babae siya, diba? Nag-stretching. It starts with F and with S. Anyone? Yes, that is fitness. Good job, everyone. Next, we have another picture naman. What is this? Yes, that is goals. And another one, the progress. So what do you think our lesson for today, class? So our lesson for today is about the goals and progress towards fitness. Now, may I ask everyone to please lend your eyes and ears on me because we will watch a short video, okay? And please, pakisulat yung mga important details because I will ask some questions later, okay? So, let's start. Let's watch the video. Okay, what an interesting video, di ba? When you hear the word time management, what comes into your mind? Okay, so what have you observed in the video? Okay, so what have you observed in the video? Yes, there are two men and they have different habits and lifestyle, right? Right. So, what makes the man on the left so tired? Yes, that is right because he has a very bad habit like drinking alcohol and what? Staying up late, eating junk food or unhealthy foods. And he has no balanced diet, right? So, what have you observed naman sa man na nasa right? Diba? He is very productive because he is exercising daily. He brushes his teeth, eating healthy foods, and has a good and balanced diet. So, napansin nyo sa last video, no, people, that it says there that small choices become actions, and actions become habits, and habits become our way of life. This means that it emphasizes the profound impact that individual decisions can have on our daily existence and overall character. Okay? So, why do you think that we should start doing our goals small steps first? No? Bakit unti-unti muna, ayaw mo nang mataas agad na steps or goals? Yes, because it helps us to cross the invisible boundary towards your goal. You the door in the first wall and will have you to overcome it. So you need to get out into your comfort zone first for you to have a bigger goals. Do you understand? Yes. So, do you have any fitness goals journey? Can you give me something? Ano yung goals nyo sa buhay nyo? In your lifestyle? Okay, first, weight loss. Yes, that is very number one. Even me. Kahit ako, I'm starting to plan my weight loss journey. Okay? Next, healthy lifestyle. Next, oh, you want to be strong. Next, for you to stay fit and healthy. Yes, that is your goal. Ano pa? Working out every day. Yes, yan yung mga fitness goals na kailangan nating i-attain sooner or later for us to become healthy, physically healthy, and physically fit. So, what is health-related skill? Sa mga pictures na napansin nyo kanina, what do you think is health-related skill? Yes, so, of course, it's about health. So, health-related skills are those which improve the health of the person. So, these works to improve the systems that make daily life easier, such as respiratory system and circular system. So, there are 5 health-related components. What are those? Okay. Now, there are 6 skill-related components fitness naman. So, these are agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. So, what is skill-related fitness? In the word skill, skill-related fitness, this refers to the abilities that help people learn skills. So, yun yung 6 parts ng skill-related. Agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. A, B, C, P, R, S. Okay, so don't forget that. Okay, now, since natutunan nyo naman na yung health-related and skill-related, now we will go to the generalization. So, we will sum up. We will now go to the next, which is the generalization. We will sum up kung ano lahat ng natutunan nyo. So, I have here a bone diagram. So, sa upper part niya, we have skill-related. And yung lower part, we have health-related. So, all I wanted you to do is to just write words that is connected to the skill-related and health-related. Write on the chat box. Okay? Okay, very good. So, now, let's see your answers. Yes, all of you are correct. That is good. Yes, all of you are correct. So, let's clap ourselves. Very good, very good, very good. This time, I will divide the class into half or into two. Okay? So, let me check my record. So, from Beran Tugera, that is group 1. Ilmeng to Serkiano, that is group 2. Okay. So, both of the groups will do a drama. Drama about what? About skill-related and health-related. So, group 1 will be skill-related and group 2 will be health-related. Okay, so you will do a drama. So, this is your rubric. Okay, so let me read to you the rubric. So, our criteria: 4 is excellent, 3 is good, 2 is fair, 1 is poor. So, yung characteristics ng excellent, dapat fully embodies character, depth and consistency. Yung voice and diction, dapat clear. Yung physically, dapat you may use your body language, of course. Kasi ayoko nakikita na stiff lang kayo doon. Ayoko may makikita akong puno doon, ha. Na may maglalagay ng puno, halaman. No! Please lang. Huwag yung gawing puno or halaman yung mga classmates nyo. We have emotional expression. Of course, kailangan kapag drama, dramatic ka. Okay? Kapag galit, edi galit. Kapag sad, dapat sad. Last, we have interaction with others. Of course, I need to see a collaboration between you guys. Okay? Kailangan natin ng collaboration and teamwork. You have 10 minutes to do that and you will present this later. Your timer starts now. Okay, so group 1, you may now present. Group 2, please present now. Okay, good job everyone. So, this is last na. Ito na yung pinaka-last na gagawin nyo. So, you will create an essay. Okay, in the words 250 to 500 words. Okay, answering this question. So, why is it important to have a fitness goals in our life? So, kailangan makita ko yung mga 3 paragraphs dun. Okay, because it's an essay. So, this is your rubric. I will flash it. You may read it. I will give you 5 minutes to do that and you will send all your essays here na lang sa chat box natin. Okay? So, 5 minutes lang, ha? So, the last is your assignment. So, in a whole sheet of paper, write your own fitness goals. Okay? So, kung anong gusto mong ma-attain sa lifestyle mo. Okay? Next, we have your advance. So, you need to read and write the important details about the facts and fallacies and misconceptions about physical activity participation. So, you guys pass that next meeting. Okay? So, thank you everyone for your active cooperation. So, next meeting, yun yung pag-uusapan natin. Okay? Bye!